Hey guys, so you just picked up a new UP4AC Plus charger from Ultra Power. I'm just going to give you guys a quick rundown on how to hook up your battery. Today I'm going to be using a 2-cell 5200 lithium battery for the demonstration. This charger will charge more than just that kind of battery, but this is really the most common battery to be used with this charger. So I'm just going to show you guys how to hook it up real quick. You get your charger, pop it open, it comes like this. You get your manual right on top. You're going to want to give that a read, the status LEDs and all that. Pull your charger out, comes in the little foam here. So there's your charger. This is just Ultra Power's most basic charger, pretty easy to use. Cables come wound up, comes with a Dean's lead. That's our battery today, so make sure when you buy the charger you get the correct lead that you need. And it also comes with a power cable. So first thing you're going to do, untwist your power cable, hook it into the back of the charger first. They can be quite stiff, so make sure you give it a wiggle and make sure it's in there, otherwise the charger may not turn on. And I got a power strip over here I'm going to plug it into. Give it a second for it to come on. The LEDs will come up. The status LED will blink green when nothing's plugged into it, when it doesn't detect a battery. So we already have it set to lithium, but if you tap the button, it'll change between the different battery types. If you picked up a nickel metal or life battery or LiPo or high voltage LiPo. Here's our amperage set. It's just a toggle switch. Depending on the size of your battery you got, you may want to go from 1, 2, or 3. If you picked up something smaller for like a 16 scale or something like that, I'm going to set this one to 3 because I know this battery can take the higher amperage. After that, we're going to go ahead and plug in the main leads. They are labeled positive, negative, black, and red. Then we take the main leads of our battery, plug them in. Now on this charger, the balance leads are on the side, 2, 3, and 4S. This is a 2-cell, so we plug it into the 2-cell slot. Now if you notice, as soon as we hooked it up properly, the status LED just changed to red. That's indicating the battery is charging now. It automatically starts. You will hear kind of a pitch change if you listen carefully in the charger. It kind of ramps up and starts charging. So if this LED is still flashing green and you have everything hooked up, something may be wrong with the battery or it's in the wrong type, give that a check. Now the charger is charging. I'm going to let it charge. The status LED will change to green when it is full, but at this point you're just going to let it go and wait for that LED to change green. If you want to stop it for some reason, you can go ahead and just unplug it. The status LEDs will flash to let you know that it's been disconnected. And then you can just hit the button and it'll revert back to the green blinking status LED and you can start over. But that's all there is to it, to the smaller Ultra Power charger. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, make sure you give RC Madness a call. Have a good day, guys.